Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Cra'Deja. Today I'm going to be installing this beautiful red brown auburn wig from NadulaHair company. So in this video I'm going to be installing this wig glueless. If you've been following my channel for a while or if you haven't, I usually install my wigs with glue. I usually use like Boho Active or Erica J glue, but I decided to step outside of my comfort zone and do something a little bit different. This wig was perfect to utilize the glueless method because it already comes with elastic band in it, and honestly that was perfection for me. I legit love the fact that I can just adjust the elastic band, slide the wig on, and it was perfect. It sat perfectly on my head. My ear tabs were able to lay down. It was just honestly perfect. So I started to install this wig as if I would do a wig that had glue on it. Added my color, started styling my hair and, just going in with it. I really believe the key to getting a perfect glueless install is to style the wig while it is on your head. I feel like that is essential because if you do not, you're going to deal with slippage and it's just going to be a mess. So I went ahead and cut my lace off, y'all. This part definitely scared me because I was just like, wow. Like, I'm so used to it, giving me an instant melt when I take off my band, but this is a little bit different for me. So definitely trust the process. I know y'all can see in the last clip I got a little scared there, but you're going to go ahead and take out your baby hairs as if you were getting ready to do any other install, and then you're going to spray your hair down with some holding spray. You can use mousse or holding spray, it really doesn't matter. I just prefer to use holding spray. Just make sure you take out all the baby hair so that your hair is lying flat on your head. Here is the ISO Plus spray that I was mentioning before. You guys just want to spray it on your lace as if it was glue. And then I just went ahead and finished styling my hair. I plucked my wig while it was on my head. So I did that off camera. And then I went ahead with some makeup that is the color of my skin complexion. Spray the hairspray of your choice. Mold your hair, style it, and then we'll get into the baby hairs. I really feel like the key to Glueless install is just to mold, shape, style while the elastic band on, and just take care of everything else at the end, like I mentioned before. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start curling my hair. I am using the Babyless titanium curling iron. I believe it is in 1 inch or 1 1/4. I'm unsure, but this is the curling iron that I'm using, and I just curled my hair. There was no specific way. I honestly didn't trust the process with this wig at first. I was just like, you know what, I'm just going to stretch myself and let's just see what happens. But after I did it, I was kind of really impressed with the outcome of things. Honestly, glueless wigs is perfect for those who just have breakouts to glue, don't really like glue, just like to be free at night, want to pop their wig on in the morning. If you're that kind of girl, this is for you. The same spray that I use for to lay the lace down, kind of, it's the same spray that I use for my baby hairs. So I use the same Iso Plus spray. And this is the curls completed. I went ahead and threw some little bit of layers inside of there and then kind of fluffed my hair out. And this is pretty much the finished install. I really did enjoy this, y'all. You guys will see in the next few clips. I'm going to show y'all how it look. Let's slip up the lace though. Perfect. 100% glueless. I'll see you guys in the next one.